Currently riding my bike, trying to hatch my egg that I have. Sorry if I'm not really doing that much. Me? If you're here, say something in the chat, like hello. I'll respond back. Let's hope first. Except for how to start this. Huge. Pausing real quick. And I'm already tired. Okay. We're gonna do it like this. We're gonna catch everything on the incense. And then at the end, I'm gonna show what I've got. That is, if my phone doesn't die. Rickety. My rickety, 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 rick. No. Oh. Stop glitching out. Well, please stay, please stay, please stay. It's probably always supposed to happen since. Yep. Oh no! What? Oh shit! Wait, are you it? I swear you're it. Come on. Good throw. Get. It's just because I was purely shocked of what just happened. Actually, yeah. Let me just do this. Check and see. Yes, I'm pretty sure that's still it. I'm just sitting right here to check all these real quick. Sorry about that. There's a lawnmower. It's really loud. Like doo-doo stains loud. And he just brought him back. Oh. That was a close one. I almost dropped my phone. Start you? Sorry, it's really loud. I'm right past it. Yes, I do check everything because I do need. My goal is by the end of the year over 200 shinies. Ooh, Kanda. Don't tell me or you are. What? Sorry, it's my ADHD just coming in really fast. Who? Huh? And please, no one dox my location. So, I will contact the cops if you do. And also, it is gated. If my phone gets to like 20%, I'll probably just end recording. I'll finish I'll quit this and then later come back out when I get charged. Thank you for this gift to all humanity. Okay. Scratchers. Nada. Ooh. Rare spawn. Okay. Under a tree right now. Are you really doing this game? Hope it loads back up. Come on, game. Okay, we have a cat right here. Surprise you, because you're a rare spawn. Just snag you. Come on, please be a ditto. Please be a ditto. Spinorect is one of the dittos. So is Numal. That was a ditto. Oh my gosh. Nope, it was not. If you are here and you know some more dittos that I miss, well, if you do pop in and you know ditto, if you see some dittos that I miss, just type what it is and I'll look back at the footage. Once someone says it, I'll look back. Zama. Oh, wait, isn't Bagon able? I think Bagon is able to be Shadow Shiny. If I am correct. If it is, I just got real lucky with that. Oh my gosh, okay. It might give me the Gabite though. So I think that is able to be shiny because Gible was Shadow Shiny recently. No, not Dragonite. I might be able to get it though. I truly do not know. I clicked my other Pokemon. It's blind. Yeah, I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. He can't shout. They don't attack immediately after. Come on, please, Crunch. Get up there, Crunch. Crunch. Go, Crunch. Go, 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 go. Yes, sir. With 2. And because this is an insta-kill with how low he is. One shield clutch. 2 Pokemon. I'm lucky I didn't have to take Nizama out. Or more. Oh, it gave me the bag on. Oh my gosh, is this a Shadow Hundo? Okay. Let's see. 3, 2, and a 1. Gotcha. That one was coming. Oh my gosh. No way. 96. Purifiable 96. I'm purifying it. Is it just me, or do you also hate the getting those nearly purifiables? But also, this is just me that hates having to take down Giovanni. So he kills like 17 of your Pokemon in one go. I know for a fact it's not just me. Okay, 0.2 more. We're gonna run a route real quick. Call it quarter mile because it actually goes halfway down my road, which is a quarter of a mile. Should I have just walked? So wait, let me just do this. Meant to do this. He's getting closer to me, best buddy. I might save those. I have 2 12. There's another one just in case. I do it. Yes, I have 2 12. Then I have this egg. So this one. That I'm actually gonna hatch. I'm gonna actually put in an incubator today. Because it's a snom egg. Spoink. Spoink. Yeah. Grip it and rip it. Top-notch throws. Top-notch throws for this guy. Many people say I have the best throw on earth. No. Grip it and rip it. I don't know why that was stuck in my head. Ooh, a female. But not shiny. It's a female though. Okay, pull up. I'm gonna be quiet. And do y'all want to prove that I'm not spoofing? Oh, it's about to hatch. Prove that I'm not spoofing. It's about to hatch. Let's keep on running. Okay. Ooh, a grime. You're joking. Just hunted. Came here. To incubate you. Okay. You have a 7 and a 12. I might just end it here because my screen's starting to go dark. I need to see. I go home, eat lunch, then chill. I was in an adventure. Affected my daily, but I think I'm gonna do it today. I might do it next week during the calm day. Oh no, that just goes 3 hours. Okay. 1 second. Okay, I got it up to speed. Articuno. Holy shit, an Articuno. Articuno. Come on. No, an Articuno was spotted. Shoot. What the? Huh? A whale right after it. In the same spot. Hilarious. You're critting. That wasn't a thing. Articuno during the route. That's the first time I've ever had that happen. Right there, so it might be a great spot. Okay. I'm hoping for another one though. Oh no, let me just catch you. Excellent on the normie throw. Yes, it is a normie throw where you just throw it up. .37. I might come back out later and try and hash it. I don't really know. It just depends on how how what my parents will let me do. So I'm gonna make my way up to the stop and then finish this route up minute, then record back down to my house. So I get a shiny. What on earth? I said if I get a shiny. And I get a shiny. This is a deck century too. Will it be Shundo? No. Will it be a deck century Shundo? Oh my gosh, no way. You're making me do this. Decent IVs. I'll grab those in a second. Two? Damn. Exchange gifts. Okay. I'm not putting any like world stickers on there. Moving upwards. Ooh, Frunzo. I'm gonna keep you. World sticker. Okay, so we just got this egg. Oh, that's a Basculin egg. What on earth? Why are you that egg? Go find the shiny. T-Tar. Are you shiny? Okay, with my luck is how it's going. I was saying that I got this shiny. It's a deck century. Never evolving it until I get the dupe. Yeah, gonna ride back to my house. Then close that stream then. Even though there's gonna still be 30 minutes left. I might do a spatial run to try to pause it with I'll try and find someone that can tell me if that was good or bad. Okay, I'm sweaty. Sweater. Oh, sweaters. Okay, I don't know if you can hear these. But that's why. you say anything? Yes, I am talking to myself about stuff. No one's with me, so don't bully me in the comments. Okay, we have another. Oh wait, shell suit. Huh. No, turn off AR. Smart. Also, that was the first time I've seen a Galarian Bruno. Okay, in my neighborhood. He just got knocked out of Walmart. I'll have to ask him what he was doing. As he was in Walmart. What could he have possibly been doing? Ooh, Magikarp. That's rare right now. So, unfortunately, this is where I'm going to wrap up stream now. Come on, catch. Bad clip. Okay, I'll do a review in a second. Come on, catch. Not any good. Checking. Yeah, I can't. So the last few before I just close up shop. Privilege. And okay, so recap of all we got.
The other half of it is, a patient was on isolation and had COVID last night.
I hatched. And I got this guy. Then this. Not that bad. Okay, so that's gonna rip it.